Thank you for your interest in my active listing.
Cypress Lakes Estates and number 8230, it and number 8217, as a lifestyle and number 13. Come join me March 19th and AMP 20th for open houses at this welcoming well-kept 3-bed 2-bath waterfront pool home in the highest demand area in Pompano Beach.
Ocean access with only one fixed bridge. Intracoastal access in minutes and number 13. This sun-filled home has birch hardwood floors, solid maple cabinets, granite counters, stainless steel appliances and number 8230, all in an inviting bespoke kitchen design. And number 13, roomy fenced-in yard with heated salted pool.
Just a hop, skip and AMP, jump away from your current or future boat and number 13 2-car garage and AMP, circular pavered driveway.
Impact windows and AMP, 2009 roof.
And number 13, close to the beach, restaurants, it's in the heart of the Gold Coast. And number 13, this is the opportunity you and number 8217, they've been looking for under $1 million. It and number 8217, it's your turn to snatch it.
See you soon.